Think you've seen power tools? Think again. These are the game changers. The next-gen construction gadgets built for professionals, D-ers, and gearheads who don't settle for average. From demolition beasts to futuristic layout tools, these tools aren't just powerful. They're smart, satisfying, and built to make every job faster and better. And best of all, you can get every single one of them right now on Amazon. Let's get into the top 10 most jaw-dropping construction tools you can own in 2025. One, Takamine 16-line Green Laser Level Pro. 360-degree layout in every direction. When precision matters, this is the tool that delivers. The Takamine 4D Green Laser Level Pro projects an incredible 16 laser lines in full 360-degree coverage, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical planes, wrapping every surface of your job site in glowing green accuracy. Whether you're leveling studs, setting tile, or hanging cabinets across multiple walls, this tool gives you the edge of a full crew with just one setup. Green lasers are 4 times more visible than red, even in daylight. The pulse mode extends its range for larger jobs, while the included remote control lets you adjust settings without touching the unit. It self-levels in seconds, locks for custom angles, and brings total layout mastery into the palm of your hand. If you want pro-grade results every time, this is how you get them. Beaver 2020-watt electric demolition jackhammer. Bring the earthquake. Meet the Beaver 2020-watt demolition jackhammer, a heavy-duty beast built to break through the toughest jobs like their drywall. Delivering up to 1,350 blows per minute, this electric concrete breaker turns solid slabs into rubble in minutes. No compressor, no hassle, just raw plug-and-play power. It comes with 6 interchangeable chisels and a rugged carrying case. So whether you're busting up driveways, tearing out foundations, or chiseling stone, you've got the right tool for every task. If demolition is part of your world, this hammer doesn't just help, it dominates. 3. DeWalt 20-Volt Max XR oscillating tool. One tool, infinite uses. Ever wished one tool could do it all? The DeWalt XR oscillating multi-tool might be the closest thing to that dream. Cut through drywall, sand tight corners, scrape up old caulk, grind out grout lines. It handles dozens of tasks with just one body and a quick accessory change. No need to stop and switch tools every 5 minutes. Just swap the blade, adjust the speed, and keep moving. Built for pros, but simple enough for any homeowner or DIYer. If you remodel, repair, or finish carpentry, this is the multitasking problem solver you'll reach for again and again. 4. Magno Grip Magnetic Wristband. Never drop a screw again. You're up a ladder. One hand holds the drill, the other's fishing around for a screw, and boom, it falls. That's where the Magno Grip comes in. It's a magnetic wristband that keeps screws, bolts, and bits stuck right to your wrist. It's like having a second hand, one that holds small metal parts exactly where you need them. Perfect for electricians, HVAC techs, furniture builders, or anyone working overhead or in tight spots. At under $20, it's a tool that solves a daily headache. And once you use it, you won't want to work without it. 5. Drill Brush Power Scrubber Kit. Turn your drill into a cleaning beast. Got a drill? Now you've got a power scrubber. This kit turns your drill into a high-speed cleaning machine. Snap in a brush head, pull the trigger, and blast through soap scum, grease, mildew, or gunk in seconds. It's perfect for tile, tubs, sinks, wheel wells, BBQ grills, anywhere dirt piles up. Instead of scrubbing by hand, Let the drill do the work. It's fast, it's effective, and it's way more fun than elbow grease. One of those game-changing upgrades you'll wish you tried sooner. Neotech Digital Angle Finder. Precision angles, zero guesswork. Cutting angles is hard, especially weird ones on trim, stairs, or decking. The Neotech Digital Angle Finder takes out the guesswork. It gives you laser-accurate angle readings, down to the 10th of a degree, so you can make perfect cuts the first time. Just open it up, place it on your material, and read the screen. It folds up small, fits in your pocket, and saves you hours of test cuts and wasted wood. For anyone doing finish carpentry or building frames, this is the kind of tool that makes you look pro, even if you're just getting started. 7. Fox Alien Masuder. Pro CNC Router. Precision crafting at your fingertips. If you've ever dreamed of turning digital designs into real-world creations, the Fox Alien Masuder Pro makes it a reality. This upgraded all-metal CNC router is built for serious makers, cutting and engraving wood, acrylic, MDF, and even nylon with surgical precision. With a powerful 3-axis system and a rock-solid frame, it handles complex projects with ease, from custom signs and detailed carvings to functional prototypes and parts. Whether you're a hobbyist leveling up or a small business building custom products, this machine delivers factory-grade results, right from your workbench. 8. DeWalt DW745. Portable table saw, compact size, massive power. Need a job site table saw you can carry with one hand, but still cut through thick hardwood like a full-size beast? The DeWalt DW745 makes it possible. It's compact, under 50 pounds, but inside, there's a 15-amp motor that rips through framing lumber, hardwood, and sheet goods without hesitation. You'll love the rack and pinion fence. It locks in fast and stays perfectly straight. No wobbles, no second cuts. It's made to handle real job sites. Tough frame, quick setup, and folds away in seconds. Precision, portability, power. In one tool. Trusted by pros, built to last. 9.3D concrete printer demo unit impossible. This is a miracle. What if you could print an entire wall, layer by layer, using nothing but concrete and code? Sounds crazy, right? But 3D concrete printing is here. We're talking full-size structures, printed in days instead of weeks. No wood, no frames, just robotics, laying perfect forms. It's the kind of innovation that changes the rules completely. The full-scale machines are still industrial, but demo models and kits are now available. And they show exactly how the future of building looks. It's not science fiction anymore. This is real, and it's incredible. Milwaukee M. 18 Fuel High Torque Impact Wrench. Bolt-busting monster. This is the alpha tool. Milwaukee's M18 High Torque Impact Wrench delivers 1,400 foot-pounds of raw torque. It busts rusted lug nuts, anchors, tractor bolts, anything that dares stay tight. With brushless motor tech and cordless freedom, it's power in the palm of your hand. It's not just a wrench, it's the final boss of fastening. These aren't just cool tools. They're serious upgrades for anyone who values speed, precision, and power on the job site. Every one of these tools is available right now on Amazon. Just check the links in the description. And if you want more construction tech, tool drops, and pro-level gear reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Which tool are you grabbing first? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next build.